In front of me, it is one line, completely line for 8 millimeter Purlin machine, and it's on the running and testing. Actually, we have tested the coils in the last week, and it turns out the coil width is a little bit narrow than estimated profile. So our workers now cut off the coils, and it will run with sheet. But right now, just follow my camera, and in this video, I will introduce you this fully capacity machine up to 8 millimeter. So this is the color, and we have tested the 8 millimeter coil. Eight millimeter. And this is the shovel feeding. And here is leveling unit. And here is butt welding. It's operation controller. And in this line, we have applied the CO2 welding. The butt welding, actually, in my previous video, I have introduced a lot. The most efficiency part is to join the coils to save the material, improve the efficiency, and the less waste product. So once we cross to the butt welding, we need one big looper. If it's possible, just to make looper between the butt welding to the forming machine, it will help to improve the line speed. After they cut off the coil, we will test the machine, the forming machine, by sheet. And here is the forming machine. Online leveling and the heavy duty forming section. We have test running the line already. The heavy duty gearbox, and with this kind of rigid pillar stands, shaft, a roller, to make sure the machine is good for 8 millimeter capacity. Big motor, 111 kW. This is the top view of the line. This is the controller for forming machine, and this is supplying cold socket. This is the profile running out of the line. This is completely line. It's combined with the color, shovel feeding, leveling, butt welding, forming machine, and the flying cold socket. Completely line. And we will run the line once again with sheet.